Once that's mixed, get your butter. Get your butter. Line out that cup. I have some leftover turkey bacon, so just some turkey bacon. Line your cup with the bacon and pour. Give a little. This is how it looks out of the oven. And this is the finished product. And you know I got a bev. Stop playing.
Huge things that
Well, let's give this a try. I wanted my bacon crispy. The top is crispy only. This next time.
So stop planning. Oh, thanks. Love you. Goodbye, Steve. Are you ready for today?
Yeah, but I'm really hurt. The worst part about the situation is I actually have taken time to get to know Stambri. I've given my all.
The eggs taste like
I
bacon.
literally came in saying, you know what? I'm gonna try to be good friends with this
The
girl.
bacon.
I'm gonna try to get to know her. And I was actually getting to know her. And I was
Juices
actually liking her. So
ran
for me,
into the egg.
after all that, to
Pretty
this,
cool.
it's kind of like, what the girl? Like, why would you just switch on me like that? Just like that. Somebody invited me to lunch with
Enjoy.
her because she wants to talk to me.